guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna show you guys how I got my hair from this to this sleek, beautiful, gorgeous hairstyle right here. If you guys want to see how I achieved that, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. In today's video, I am going to be using some I am going to be using some eco styling gel, a small tooth comb, a medium tooth kind of wide tooth comb, and a brush with a scrunchie and some braiding hair. I'm going to be using some braiding hair that I already used in the past, but of course if you don't have braiding hair, you can just go buy a packet. One packet should do. So yeah, I am just going to start by detangling my hair. So I'm just gonna do it in sections. Okay guys, once my hair is fully detangled, I'm just going to comb everything together into one big section and start applying gel to get the sleek look that I'm going for. So I'm going to comb everything back like this. So I do have quite a bit of hair, so the middle, I feel like the middle is not properly detangled. So what I'm going to do is just take this scrunchie to hold it in place like this. And I'm going to take the comb and I'm just going to comb it back like this. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel. Just apply that all over my head. Now I'm gonna go in with the small tooth comb and just comb everything all the way back so it's as smooth and neat as possible. Okay, so once I do that, I am going to go in with my brush. Now I am going to apply my scrunchie. I'm just going to go back in with some gel because I like my hair really neat. Now I'm going to comb the ends of my hair out so we can start braiding the ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the braiding hair to start adding it to my ponytail. Okay guys, so I am finished making my sections for the braids. I just literally made some small sections like this since you know it was already used hair. I just added the pieces together. And now I'm just going to start adding them to my hair. I'm going to divide my hair into 3 sections. Okay, I have 3 sections, and I'm just going to start braiding my natural hair. And I'm going to go in with my first piece of extension. I'm just going to take this piece, I'm going to place it underneath my index finger, and I'm just going to mix the top section with the hair that's above my index finger, and I'm just going to continue braiding. Now I'm going to do the same thing again underneath the index, mix the other side with the hair above my index finger, and I'm just going to continue braiding. And I'm just going to keep repeating those steps.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just
And I am just going to continue to braid that all the way down. So I'm gonna flip like this, and we're just gonna braid that all the way down. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go back in with some gel to ensure that every single strand is, you know, tied down. Okay, let me show you guys how long it is. This is the length right here. This is what it's looking like. So what I'm gonna do is go dip this in some hot water, and I'll come back to show you guys the finished product. So yeah, be right back. Okay y'all, we're back. I just finished a little while ago. I dipped my ends in some hot water. It's still like a bit damp, it's dripping everywhere, but this is the final product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.